Hey folks, my name is Chris Walker and I'm the General Sales Manager here at Honda of Longview. I would personally like to invite you to our silent sale, social distancing sale that we're going to have this Sunday on April 19th. Now you're probably wondering what a silent sale, social distancing sale is. Well, basically it's a chance for you to get outside, walk around our lot, and see all of our prices clearly marked on hang tags that we're going to place in all of our vehicles, while following current CDC social distancing guidelines, of course. There won't be any staff on site, so browse interrupted at your leisure. When you see a vehicle that you like, you can simply text my cell phone at 903-353-1127 and we'll work out all the details. Plus, for your safety and convenience, we can also deliver the vehicle to you and all of the paperwork for signatures. Now the dealership is located at 600 East Loop 281 here in Longview, right underneath the water tower, just past Sam's and Walmart. We look forward to seeing you out here on April 19th. Well, not seeing you here on April 19th because we won't be here, but text my cell phone if you find a vehicle that you like and we're going to take great care of you. Thank you.